Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to connect your eBay account to Payoneer in 2025. So if you are selling on eBay, Payoneer is now the main way to receive your payouts securely and directly to your bank account. So let's go through the full process of it. First of all, you need to come here on ebay.com. Over here, you need to just sign in here with the help of your seller's account. Now, once you have done that, you will be shown your profile here on the top. So you need to simply click on your profile. Now you will be landed here in your account's settings, where in the left hand section, you will see the option of payments. Now, once you see the option of payments, you just have to select the option of payout options, and there you will be able to find the option of connecting to Payoneer. Once you see that option, simply click on that and you will be redirected here on the website of Payoneer. Over here, if you already have a Payoneer account, you just have to click on the option of sign in, then provide your login credentials and log in into your account. But if you don't have a Payoneer account yet, you will have to click on the option of register and you need to fill out certain details. It is free, but it is going to take some time for you to create your account here on Payoneer, because it will take some time to link your bank accounts and other details. So after doing it, Payoneer will ask for the personal business or the bank account information and your government ID as well. So you need to make sure that all the details match with your eBay information exactly, the same name, the same address, and the bank details to avoid any kind of payout delays. So once it is verified, you will receive an email confirmation from Payoneer on your email address. So after you have verified it on your Payoneer account, you can go to the eBay section, and here you can click on the option of approve and continue in order to connect your Payoneer account with eBay. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.